Hello everyone, this is Innovative from Market Warehouse, and we have designed a course for swing traders. And with this course, we are going to give you two books. One is Intelligent Investor, and the second one is Technical Analysis of Financial Market. So, best in this course, we are going to give you two technique, and the technique will be applied upon some particular stocks that I'm going to show you. Okay, that stocks will be super 45 stocks, and these super 45 stocks will contain large cap and mid cap. जो super 45 stocks होंगे वे मेरे large cap and mid cap होंगे, जो कि मैंने filter out किया based upon some parameters. And in next video I'm going to show you how I have picked up the super 45 stocks from large cap and mid cap uh, on my parameter. What are parameter that I have set? ठीक है, देखते हैं. And the second one is good 45. एक है super 45 stocks. Okay, this one, and this one is good 45 stocks. This is also based on some parameters. तो हम लगभग 90 stocks पे काम करेंगे. And my two I will give you two technique. और जो दो टेक्निक मैं बताऊंगा वे सिर्फ ये 90 स्टॉक्स पे बेस्ट काम करते हैं. ठीक है, अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस यू कैन ट्राई फॉर अदर ऑल्सो, बट for these 90 stocks you can earn for lifetime. Okay, and you can add on if you wanted to be, if there is any large cap or mid cap or mid cap or small cap, you can add on other stocks if you think of that parameters will work in that also, जो मैं parameters आपको बताऊंगा. So for now you work on these 90 stocks, and for lifetime you can earn money. I will show you how. Thank you.